Title: Terry's Journey from Rural Poverty to Entrepreneurial Success. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young man named Terry. Born into a family that struggled to make ends meet, Terry grew up with the odds stacked against him. But he was determined to break free from poverty and make a better life for himself and his family. His journey was far from easy, and he faced many failures before he finally found success at the age of 26 as an entrepreneur. This is his story of resilience, perseverance, and self-discovery through 6 different jobs. 1. The factory worker, age 18. At 18, Terry's first job was at a local factory, where he worked long hours assembling parts. The work was physically exhausting, repetitive, and paid very little. But Terry took pride in his work and saw this as a stepping stone toward a better future. He met Peter, an older worker, who taught him the value of hard work and resilience. However, after 2 years, the factory closed down due to economic issues, leaving Terry unemployed and uncertain about his future. 2. The waiter, age 20. Not one to give up, Terry moved to the city and found work as a waiter in a busy restaurant. This job required patience, a friendly smile, and stamina to handle difficult customers. Here he met Sarah, a fellow server, who had big dreams of traveling the world. She encouraged Terry to think about his own aspirations beyond daily survival. Although the job paid little and offered no benefits, it taught Terry how to communicate with people from all walks of life. After a year, the restaurant closed down due to poor management, and Terry was once again searching for work. 3. The salesman, age 21. Eager to try something new, Terry took on a job as a door-to-door salesman. The position was commission-based, meaning that his income depended entirely on his ability to sell. This job was challenging. Terry faced constant rejection, and the sales quotas were hard to meet. Despite his best efforts, he struggled to make enough sales and began doubting his abilities. But he also met Daniel, a seasoned salesman who became his mentor. Daniel taught him the art of persuasion, patience, and resilience in the face of rejection. After 6 months, however, Terry decided to move on, realizing that sales was not his calling. The construction worker, age 22. Desperate for steady income, Terry took up work as a construction laborer. The job was physically grueling and hazardous, with long hours under the hot sun. Terry met Mike, a foreman, who shared his story of working his way up from being a laborer to a supervisory role. Mike's story gave Terry hope that he, too, could rise above his circumstances with persistence. But after a year, a back injury forced Terry to leave the job, leaving him frustrated and questioning if he would ever find the right path. 5. The office assistant, age 24. Once he recovered, Terry landed a job as an office assistant for a small firm. This job introduced him to a professional environment where he learned about administration, organization, and time management. He became friends with Julia, a junior accountant who shared insights about career growth and financial stability. Julia encouraged him to start setting goals and considering further education or specialized training. Unfortunately, the company downsized, and Terry lost his job after just a year. Yet this experience sparked his interest in business and managing finances. 6. The entrepreneur, age 26. After 5 failed jobs, Terry decided to take a risk and pursue his own business. Drawing on everything he'd learned from his previous jobs and his friendships, he set up a small landscaping service in his hometown. He used the marketing skills from his sales job, the customer service lessons from being a waiter, the hard work ethic from construction, and the administrative skills from his office job. At first, it was tough. He faced competition, financial struggles, and many moments of doubt. But through sheer determination, Terry began to build a loyal customer base and earn enough to support himself. He reconnected with Sarah, Daniel, Mike, and Julia, who each provided valuable advice and even helped him find new clients. Slowly but surely, Terry's business grew, and by age 26, he was finally able to make a comfortable living and even hire employees from his village, giving back to his community. Conclusion: Terry's journey teaches us that even the most challenging paths can lead to success if we remain resilient and open to learning. Every failure he encountered helped him grow and shaped him into the person he needed to become to succeed. From a humble beginning, through 6 jobs and countless struggles, Terry found his purpose and made a positive impact on others' lives. His story reminds us that sometimes the path to success is not a straight line, but a series of lessons learned from setbacks and the people who help us along the way.